Welcome to elDoc Tutorials. We're excited to guide you through your first steps in configuring the elDoc platform. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set your time zone and enable your preferred languages on the user interface. To begin, navigate to the main menu and click on Configuration. On the left, you'll find key information about your license subscription, including the subscription period, number of users, licensed modules, quotas, and more. On the right, you can tailor platform settings to suit your needs. Define the appropriate time zone for your team, as all logs and timestamps follow this setting. Select your preferred date format, choose a default module to appear on the main menu upon login, and enable the user interface languages you'd like to support in your environment. If required by your organization's security policy, you can also activate Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, to ensure secure access for all users. elDoc is an easy-to-use platform and your ultimate solution for document excellence.